Have you ever found yourself juggling multiple projects, tasks, and teams, feeling overwhelmed and disorganized? You're not alone. Many businesses today are grappling with the complexity of managing their operations. One tool that's often mentioned in this context is Wrike. But is Wrike really an ERP? Let's dive in and find out. Before we answer that question, let's clarify what we mean by ERP. ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. It's a software system that integrates various business functions, such as finance, human resources, supply chain management, and customer relationship management. ERPs are designed to provide a comprehensive view of an organization's operations and facilitate efficient decision-making. 1. SoftwareReconnect.com. SoftwareReconnect.com. Wrike, a project management tool. Now, let's talk about Wrike. Wrike is primarily a project management tool. It's designed to help teams collaborate, organize tasks, and track progress. While Wrike offers features like time tracking, resource management, and reporting, its core focus is on project management. Key differences between Wrike and ERP. So, what sets Wrike apart from a full-fledged ERP? Let's break down the key differences. Scope. ERPs have a much broader scope, covering a wide range of business functions. Wrike, on the other hand, is primarily focused on project management. Integration. ERPs are often tightly integrated with other systems within an organization, such as accounting software and CRM systems. While Wrike offers integrations, they are not as extensive as those found in ERPs. Complexity. ERPs are typically complex systems that require significant implementation and customization. Wrike, while still powerful, is generally easier to adopt and use. Cost. ERPs can be expensive, especially for larger organizations. Wrike, on the other hand, offers a variety of pricing plans to suit different business needs. Wrike is a complementary tool. While Wrike may not be a full-fledged ERP, it can be a valuable tool for businesses. It can help teams collaborate more effectively, improve productivity, and deliver projects on time. In many cases, Wrike can be used in conjunction with an ERP to provide a more comprehensive solution for managing projects and operations. When to consider Wrike? If you're looking for a tool to improve project visibility and collaboration, track task progress and deadlines, allocate resources effectively, generate reports and analytics, Wrike may be a good fit for your business. When to consider an ERP, however, if you need a system that integrates multiple business functions, provides a comprehensive view of your operations, supports complex workflows and processes, an ERP may be a better choice. In conclusion, Wrike is not an ERP. It's a powerful project management tool that can help teams collaborate and deliver projects more efficiently. While it may not offer the same level of integration and functionality as a full-fledged ERP, Wrike can be a valuable asset for many businesses. The best choice for your organization will depend on your specific needs and budget. By understanding the key differences between Wrike and ERPs, you can make an informed decision about which tool is right for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.